You're gonna love the 2020 Nissan Armada. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an overachiever with a commanding presence, the Nissan Armada. This full-size, three-row SUV is a polite powerhouse, offering an upscale interior, smooth, quiet ride, and brawny towing capacity. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, 8-cylinder engine, remote engine start, heated mirrors, backup camera, power liftgate, fog lamps, satellite radio. Don't compromise on comfort to get the capability you want. Get into this remarkable Armada. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.